Good morning, I'm Scout. This is Nala Bushcraft. Today we're going to be sharpening a knife. For those who don't know, or those who are in the know, this is a Mara Garberg. It has a Scandi grind, this whole entire bevel. The way you sharpen a Scandi knife is simple. You lay it flat on the sharpener and you pull. You do the same number of strokes both sides. This has a fine edge, or a fine side, and a coarse side. I don't know exact numbers on a Smith sharpener, but if it had no edge at all and it was dull enough not even to make a dent in a piece of paper, I'd use the coarse side. But since this is pretty sharp, we're just maintaining it. Again, where you see the rough marks, that's the whole entire bevel you sharpen. Only on a Scandi grind knife do you do this. Scandi grind knives are the easiest to sharpen in the world. Now there's a Falklandiv R2 Scout knife. Same thing applies, but there's micro bevel here. So I find the flat side, I bring it up about an 18-degree angle. It helps to use a guide if you don't know, but if you can do this by feel, lay it flat, make it a slight bevel. I don't know if you can see that or not on the angle of the camera here, but I'll lay it flat, the edge flat, and I'll lift up on it just a little bit, about 18 degrees. 18-20 is a good angle. You want to be consistent. You don't want to go from like a 40 degree and down to 18 or 20 and just hope and pray that you get the same side. You meticulously aim for it. Do the same angle every time. Even if it's not a perfect 18, I'm somewhere close. Well, that's sharp. As you can see, my hair is coming right off. There's another way to check for sharpness on a blade, and it's using your fingertip. If you got a long fingernail, you can do this. You run it down the length of your blade, just on the fingernail side, not touching your skin, and just feel. If it grabs, it's good. There's also different edges of a knife. You can get them concave, where they have a little dip in there, convex, where they have a little rise in there. This one here is a drop point. You can get ones with clip point, a spear point, many different points. It doesn't matter the knife you use, or I can't recommend you a knife. It's just the one that you got to use. You gotta get used to it. You gotta enjoy it. It's gotta be your knife. Many people say, go, you should try this knife. You try that knife. I don't buy into that. Buy a knife, get used to it. If it's a folder and you like a folder, fine. If it's a fixed blade, you like a fixed blade, fine. Just make it your own. Get used to it. Adapt to it. Let it adapt to you. It's an extension of your arm. You should feel natural with it. You should not have any problem picking it up and saying, I got this. When you're done with a knife, you oil it. I use 3-in-1 oil or gun oil. Pioneers in old days used to use a beeswax or animal fat. I just put a little bit of oil there, run it up the knife a couple times. Stay away from the blade. Keep your fingers away from it. Make the rag do the work. Make sure you don't get rust. If you get rust, use steel wool at best. Check it for any nicks, breaks, any damage. Knives do wear out. They do get old. You want a knife to last you the rest of your life, but there's times where you might break one, might sharpen it so many times that there ain't nothing left of it. So go conservatively on your sharpening. Keep the blade away from you when you're rubbing down a knife with oil. And just run your fingers in a rag. Get that little full tang there if you got a full tang. Keep the rust off it. A knife has two enemies, rust and politicians. Don't let either one take it away from you. Thank you.